Это самое fonda já tem que Yeah.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dorina Leonardo, and I'm the owner of the company and the owner of the Center Almost 15 years, I'm the happy driver of your car, BMW X2. Therefore, I decided to offer my innovation first to your company. My innovation is an air island installed in a car, I repeat, installed in the car, which emits negative ions from the carbon rush. This is unique carbon rush, which emits only negative ions without unhealthy oxygen. Only Yonex company has this unique carbon rush in the market. Probably you ask, why do you need negative ions? A car is a Faraday cage and is completely depleted of negative ions. Air condition destroys them too. So, living in the space without negative ions leads to several health risks. Therefore, they should be added from the quality island. Besides that, only negative ions are capable of removing all the pollution and carcinogenic submicron particles of exhaust gases from the air, thereby protecting the drivers and the passengers' lungs. It was scientifically proven that negative ions lower the level of stress hormone, increase concentration, and contribute to safer driving. Ionization is the additional value of the car. Be the first in the market with it. Scientifically are published in my book. You are kindly asked to take it. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much. Okay.